Hi, Sonia here with Just Botanicals, and I'm coming to you live from my bespoke skin bar and apothecary. And I wanted to talk to you today. I wanted to do a profile on my Vibrant Aging Day Lotion. This is one of my favorite products. This is chock full of vibrant aging ingredients. It's really pretty fabulous, and I'll tell you a little bit about I'm going to tell you a little bit about what's in this product, and then I'm also going to tell you why it's important, or why it's good, and how to use it. So this is how it comes. It comes in a little 1 ounce spritzer bottle, which is about a 1 month supply if used 1 to maybe 2 times a day, but like 1 time a day. I've been using my Gentle Cleanser, my Restore Toner, and this day lotion every morning for the last 3 years. And you'll see how it comes out. It's kind of thick, but also kind of thin, right? And so you can see it absorbs so readily into the skin. It's lightweight, and it smells very lovely. It's kind of floral, but more herbally, and I'll tell you what's in it here in a minute. But I guess I'll start by telling you how to use a biphase day lotion, and that's what this is. It's a biphase day lotion, right? So half oil, half water. That's a very simplistic way to describe it, but it is half oil solubles and half water soluble ingredients, or water based ingredients. That creates a lotion, right? So a lotion is basically 2 insoluble or immiscible liquids, oils and waters, blended together to create like a creamy, lotiony type of effect that basically help nourish the skin and also get into the skin. And so, of course, I use hydrosols in my product. So I have half neroli and helichrysum hydrosols with some green tea extract, which provides the antioxidant benefit. Both helichrysum and neroli are notoriously anti-aging. They're notoriously effective for vibrant aging. Gotta be careful what I use, because there's a difference between trying to not get old and trying to age as beautifully and healthily as possible. So as you can see, the biphase product, it's got to be mixed up or stirred unless there's an emulsifier used. So I just told you what the water-based ingredients are, the hydrosols. So what I do to do that in this little bottle is I shake it up. Because the oil sits on top of the water, I do this, I shake it up, and then I get 1 to 3 spritzes, depending on what you're looking for or how dry you are. And then that actually, how it's supposed to be used, is actually in circular motions all around the face after cleansing and toning, right? And so the ingredients in here are amazing. They're really designed, I formulated this to create an immediate rejuvenation, to create that supple, glowy look that we want, to help nourish the skin, and to make it be at its finest, to radiate from within, right? So I'm trying to create a nice palette, and I want to balance my skin through this product, through moisture, adding a moisturizer. I want to create a balanced, nourished palette from which basically I can shine. The oils I use in this are rosehip seed oil, homemade carrot oil, olive squalane, which is amazing, and apricot oil. And those are just the main nourishing oils. And rosehip seed oil is also demonstrated to be very effective to support vibrant aging, smoothing of fine lines and wrinkles. It is a good scar treatment as well, prevents wrinkles and treats wrinkles. I also have in here the essential oils of neroli, helichrysum, patchouli, and palmarosa, which are all also oils that are notoriously and have demonstrated benefits in that supporting that vibrant aging of the skin, to cause rejuvenation, to create that supple layer, to create a balance and a moisture retention, and to also to brighten and and kind of support like a smoothing of the skin tone, if you will. And so all of those fantastic ingredients get forcibly emulsified in my case. Hey Lisa, thanks for joining. And so I use what I'm going to do, because you can see the oil is going to sit on top of the hydrosols. You can see it separating now. Since I don't use an emulsifier in this product, which makes it easy to reproduce at home as well, I use this emulsifier, or sorry, a wand, if you will, a mixer. It's a blender, and it's going to help mechanically emulsify these temporarily so that I can then evenly distribute them into these 1 ounce bottle spritzers. And then I'll label it, and there it is. And then every morning after I cleanse and tone, I just do 1 or 2 squirts of this, and it comes out kind of liquidy creamy. It's very lightweight, absorbs right into the skin, especially with that rosehip seed oil. It's just absolutely wonderful. And it's good just like this too. And in addition to be deeply nourishing, smoothing, and brightening for the skin, it is also aromatherapeutically pleasing with the neroli and the helichrysum. All of those are oils that are also notoriously emotionally and mentally grounding and uplifting simultaneously. So there's a lot of things going on with this product. So I'm going to finish making and pouring these out. I do have a workshop later today. And I'll be doing workshops every couple weeks here at the Annex in Palmer. My workshop today is from 6 to 7:30. And I'm going to be doing a make your own Mother's Day gift basket on April 21st for the Who Let the Girls Out event. And just stay tuned for more workshops. And if you're interested in workshops or any more information, just message me here or check out my website, www.justbotanicalsak.com. I have a blog there too that I'm trying to keep up with. And everyone have an awesome day. Thanks for joining.